Michael. Donc, je signe.
Oui, c'est It is my pleasure to welcome you here today on the occasion of the launching of the joint communications campaign for the Euro changeover in Malta. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our guests from abroad, in particular to the President of the ECP, Mr. Jean-Claude Trichet. Allow me also to welcome my fellow governors from Belgium, Cyprus and Slovakia, the Deputy Governors from Bulgaria, Denmark, Holland, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Romania and Slovenia, and the chairman and members of the board from Greece, Portugal and Latvia. The single currency is also a symbol of a common European identity and of shared values, and therefore a potential instrument for bringing peoples closer together.
We are particularly happy with the quality of the work which has been performed between the European Central Bank and the Central Bank of Malta. The Euro campaign has been outstanding. The framework used by the ECB and the CBM constitutes, I think, a very good communication mix to ensure a good reach to the public. Around 500,000 copies of publications will be distributed. I have now to symbolically hand over the Euro Star to you, Governor Bonello, to flag that the Central Bank of Malta is now about to join the team that we are making up, of which so many members are here together with you and me. Let me now officially give you this star.